Well guys, this video here I guess is on the Uniden beer tracker 800, the BCT7. I just recently got this one with some radio equipment with that TRC 431 sitting over there and 2 meters, or I should say 2 watt meters, and I also got this scanner with the same deal, and I've just been playing around with this one now for the last day, or since all day I guess, and I was just looking for modifications, keypad tricks and stuff like that, and there's not a whole lot that can be done with this particular scanner, not that I've been able to find anyways. So basically the only one that I've managed to find, and I'll put up pictures of where I've done the mod, but yeah, you remove the on the back of the board, on the solder side of the board I'll call it, or the ground plane side, you'll see 2 pieces of epoxy, and if you look where the speakers to, on that side of the board, you'll see 2 shields, a big long shield and a square shield. So basically there's epoxy hiding 2 screws to remove the small square shield, and underneath that square shield is the processor for this BCT7. And if you look even closer again, once the shield is removed and you look around for vacant spots or vacant pads that parts could go on, there's only 2 there that can actually do anything. There's a pad closest to the bottom right hand corner of the processor, and if you put a 1K resistor across there, you'll get what I guess is attenuator, because if you press your band button all the way through, normally it'll go from there and just skip, then you change it on or off. But by putting a 1K resistor in this other position, well, you'll get attenuator on or off, and you press your program to either turn it on or turn it off, like that. So far it's the only mod that I managed to find for it. Haven't managed to find any frequency modifications for this scanner yet. There's a bunch of different tricks you can do when you're powering this thing up. But the most annoying part of this scanner, not only it's annoying to program it, it's also annoying when you first turn this thing on, because you get the warning come up. I'll just turn her off just to show you. Yeah, she'll do that every single time. So basically what I did, not what I did, but what you can do for a keypad trick is you can hold in your squelch button, and I believe it's your police button. Hold 2 of these buttons, push this one in and press this one, and basically she'll just go, when you turn her on, she'll go straight in the scan, and she'll bypass the this alert here on power up. I think it's this one. You can try it. There's a few different combinations you can do between this button and a couple here that'll do it. Go put her straight in the scan. But other than that, there is no other modifications that I've managed to find for the BCT7 at the moment. If anybody out there has come up with any modifications for the BCT7 Bearcat or Bear Tracker, let me know. I'd like to hear from you. But as she says, sits right now, there is no frequency modification as such for the Bearcat, or for that Bear Tracker BCT100. But other than that ATT, whatever that is, I'm assuming that's attenuator, I'm thinking. But you got to put the resistor in, that 1K resistor, in order to get this to come up. But anyways, that's it. If I come across anything else, I'll let you know. But for right now, that is the Uniden Beer Tracker 800 BCT7.